Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna explain you which mode you should use in Visual Studio Code, which will supercharge your workflow and save hours. Let me break it down. First, the ask mode, which you can find here, bottom left corner. Ask. This is the standard conversational chat. You ask, it answers. When you should use it? For brainstorming the ideas, getting quick info, getting the simple code snippets or any general question. For an example, from this readme file, just wanted to understand how this readme file or what is there in this readme file. You can simply ask it, or maybe you can ask, give me 5 ideas on modular architecture. Simple, quick and effective. So it will start giving the modular architecture idea. Next is the edit mode. Click on it and you see now here you don't ask something new. You give the AI an existing text or code, and then it transforms it. And you should use it for refactoring the messy code, summarizing the documents, rephrasing the text, or even fixing the grammars. For example, I just want to summarize this readme file into 3 bullet points. I can summarize it. It's all about improving what you already have. Now, the most powerful one, agent. This is where AI takes on a role or handles multi-step task. When to use it? For a complex problem solving, detailed planning, or role playing as an expert. For an example, you suppose we give some role to this AI. You are an senior Android developer or senior mobile app developer, and help me debug this application, or regarding this, update this readme file, or maybe act as a prompt engineer. Then write the more powerful prompts for creating such images, such figuring images. Think of it having an expert teammate on demand. So quick recap: ask mode for quick info and ideas, edit mode for refining and transforming the content, agent mode for complex multi-step role-based task. My recommendation, don't just stick to ask mode, explore, edit and agent to unlock the real power of AI. Now tell me, which mode are you most excited to try first? Drop your answers in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful AI tips.